welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Grabox for December month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you that Grabox has two different variants. The first one is the Jewel box and the second one is the Mini Grabox. I will be unboxing the Jewel one, so let's talk about that. The price for the Jewel Grabox is 499 rupees. And I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. Now let's start with the box. So first thing is this. It says December Jewel Grabox. And on the other side, I have a list of all the jewelry. Of course, you can tell by the name Jewel Grabox. So you will get all the beautiful, beautiful, stylish jewelry in this box. Now let's start with the first one. The first one is the tassel neck piece. And the price for this one is 250 rupees. And this is the one. So this is the black tassel neck piece. You can just see. And it's the long neck piece. Let me just wear it and show you. I'm already wearing black, so I doubt that this will be visible on my black top. But still, let me try and show you the look. Don't worry, I will be clicking some pictures in the end and attaching that in the end of the video. So you can just stay connected for that. And this is the look. Yes, it's like on black top, it's not at all visible. But this is the look. Of course, very stylish, very pretty neck piece. And 250 is the price. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one are triangle diamond hoop earrings. And these are the one. The shape is quite interesting. I love it, like very different, and if you wear them, you will look very stylish. And of course, you're gonna stand out because the shape is quite different from the round and the square one. So, and this is like the color is plain gold, so you can just wear them with anything. So, yeah, stunning earrings, like stylish earrings. 150 is the price. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one are these multi-layered JHUMKI earrings, and I love them. I already have them, but still I'm super happy to receive it once again because you can just see the combination of gold and oxidized silver is just super stunning. Very different concept, you can say. And you can of course wear them with silver or with your gold thing. They are just super perfect for your Indian outfits. And you can just see the length also, like quite big earrings. Then, if we talk about the weight, they are not very heavy. They are just perfect weight. So yes, overall, I love them. Super happy to receive them once again. The price for these are 400 rupees. And this time, of course, as I've said, I already have these earrings. So I'm going to give this to my sister. I'm sure she's going to love it. And this is the look. So the look is super stunning. Yes, happy with these. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one are these multi-layer JHUMKI. Not the multi-layer JHUMKI. The next one are beads bunch earrings, and these are the one. These are again very colorful, and you can just see pink and orange combination with oxidized silver. The price for these are 300 rupees. Let me just wear one, and I think I have something similar to these, but not the exact earrings. These are again just perfect for Indian wears. Or let's say suits, kurtis. Wow, they are looking really nice. And adding a lot of color. So yes, I like it. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one are these wooden earrings. And yes, I love the concept of wooden earrings. This one is just super light on your ear. And this is the style. Let me just wear one and show you the look. The price for these are 250 rupees. And let me show you the look. So this is the look. Pretty stylish. Oh, this is the last one, and these are golden traditional earrings. This is the look. Gold and the blue color is there. The blue is very bright, nice blue. The price for these are 250 rupees. And let me just wear these and show you. I think these are going to look very pretty with my white suit. The white plain suit. So I think gold and this bright blue will give a nice look. So yes, very happy with this one again. This is the last pair in the box. And that's all what I have received in my Jewel Grabox for December month. If you ask me, my first favorite is of course this one, this multi-layer earrings. The color combination, the size, the weight, everything is just perfect. So yes, I love it. And then the pink and orange, this pair, I love it. Then, of course, the Indian one is again nice. Then the plain triangle earrings are nice. Then the neck piece is nice. So I think overall a nice box depending upon what is your preference. So yes, I will be mentioning everything in the description box, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.
Thank you.